everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make a rubber band go through your thumb. This will be an easy magic trick tutorial, so let's get right into the video. That's right, I'll be showing you how to make it look like the rubber band is going through your thumb. It actually won't be going through your thumb, obviously, but it's gonna look like it. Now, I'm just a beginner at this trick, so if it doesn't go right the first time, bear with me, but as you practice it, you'll get better and better. The first time that I learned how to do it, it was like maybe a 1 in 10 chance that I would get it right, and now I get it right almost every time, for the most part. So it's very simple. I'll show you how to set it up, and then I'll show you what it looks like. So what you want to do is get a rubber band and get one that's fairly large, so it has a good amount of stretchability. Maybe this is slightly too big, but something around this size, maybe slightly smaller, okay? You want to put it over your right thumb, okay? Just like that. Put it over your right thumb, and what we're going to do is we're pulling it towards the palm side, okay? I'm not pulling it like this, pulling it towards the palm side, okay? I'm using my left hand to open it up into a triangle like that, okay? You can see right here, it's a triangle with my thumb and my index finger on my left hand. I'm then gonna take my right middle finger and I'm gonna grab this part right here between the my left thumb and my right thumb. There's a little piece of a rubber band there. I'm just gonna loosen it up. I'm gonna grab that piece right there and I'm gonna bring it over this piece right here, just like that, okay? Then what I'm gonna do is I'm now gonna take my left hand, my left index finger, and my left thumb, and I'm gonna bring it over my thumb like this and drop it down. So I'm sort of like wrapping it around. Over and drop it down. Now what I'm going to do with my middle finger is I'm actually going to slowly release it, but what I'm going to do is I'm pushing my right thumb into the middle finger, and that's going to give it a nice and tight tenseness. I was going to say tensity. That doesn't make sense. So right now, as you can see, we have a little knot there that's being held in place. It's a fake knot. It's not a real knot, right? It's being held in place, and we have our hand here. So what we're going to do to release it is we're just going to sort of move this back and forth, and eventually as we move it back and forth, that will release. So I'm going to say, it just went through my thumb, like that. You can obviously, make your own words up for it, but you can say, I feel it cutting through my thumb, stuff like that. I feel it going through my thumb. You don't have to say cutting through your thumb. You can say, I feel it, it's about to go through my thumb. So once again, very simple. Triangle, bring it over like that, push into it like that, and then what you got to do, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. I feel it coming through my thumb right now. Right, like that. Very simple. That's it. It's not hard. And then you can fool your friends. Just don't let them see this side, because if I set it up, right, and they see that, sorry about that, I also, when you're doing it, you don't want to be like anything like this, because then it might snap towards your face or your body. You always want it to be away from you, right? So if I show them this side, they're going to see that, right? And we don't want them to see that. So, you keep your hand away from them. That's it. That is how to do it. It's that simple. I walked you through each and every step. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.